Now, if the camera is not blinking red and green, like this one, as you can see, this is not blinking red and green, it's only blinking red, then you might need to do a reset. So open up this little door. So you can do that using a screwdriver, a little star screwdriver like this one. Okay, so that's what you need to use to unscrew this little plate at the back. And once you unscrew those two screws and lift this plate, then you should see a reset button. Okay, so you can see it right there, right in there. There's a little reset button. So you can either dig in with your fingernail and press and hold that button for a couple of seconds. If that's not working, then you can look for something like this same screwdriver and push that button. And you want to push and hold for a couple of seconds until you see it blinking quickly like that. Then you can let go. So I'm sure you saw that quick blink. So once that's done, in about 30 seconds, it should start blinking red and green. That means we have successfully factory reset the camera. So now let's put the plate back and continue the setup process.